Here is how you can create a paid channel on Telegram. First open Telegram, then click on the create button in the bottom right corner. Now select new channel and now give a name to your channel. Now choose your channel type, then click OK. And now what you have to do is click on the search button and search for invite member bot. And now click on the first option, then click start, then add a project. Now here you have to write your email and now paste the confirmation code that is sent to your email. Then select add a project, give your project name, then select paid Telegram channel, then click here, click on the channel, then send it. Now choose the currency and now choose how often would you like your member to pay. Select the amount. Now click on @botfather. Click start. Now click /new bot. Now choose a name for your bot. Now choose a username for your bot. Copy the token and now paste this token in the previous bot. Then click on OK. What's next? Click OK. Click OK will do. Then click on payment option. Then choose any mode of payment. Then click on connect. And now you can connect with your payment account to receive the payment. And after that, you will successfully create a paid channel on Telegram.